Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will present about time series analysis and forecasting for Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. Our group members consist of Muhammad HAZIQ IBRAHIM bin KHAIRUL ANUAR, Muhammad AFIQ SALIHIN bin JAFAR, SOFIA TASMIN binti SHAARI, and AMIRUL AIMAN FARAHI bin HANAFI.
Hi, we will be presenting on the introduction of the report, aim report, objective report, data description, method analysis, and the conclusion.
For introduction, Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Sendirian Berhad is the first Malaysian takaful company in our country. It was the second largest takaful operator in Malaysia behind Etika for both family and general takaful in 2013. The company was formed in 1984 on the advice of the Government Commission's Task Force on the study of establishment on an Islamic insurance company in Malaysia. Also, we use the data of the stock price of Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Sendirian Berhad by years 2005 until 2021.
The AIM report. The aim is to study the pattern number of stock prices for Syarikat Takaful Malaysia Sendirian Berhad. After we investigate, the prices is being affected by several factors, which is one of it is COVID-19 pandemic.
Next, the objectives are to analyze the monthly pattern of stock prices of the company Takaful Malaysia. Next, to identify the most suitable model while analyzing each model. And the last objective is to forecast the future stock prices of Takaful Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Muhammad AFIQ SALIHIN bin JAFAR. Okay, for data description, the data size is maximum range with monthly interval between data and the total data is 203. We choose the date from January 2005 until November 2021. Our table consists of 204 rows and 3 columns, and for average part we have 51 months, and for estimation parts we have 152 months.
This is the original graph showing the stock price of Syarikat Takaful Sendirian Berhad from year 2005 until 2021.
For method of analysis, we use naif forecast, average change model, single exponential smoothing, and Hodge method. Okay guys, for the first method of analysis is we call as naif forecast. What is naif forecast? Naif forecast is the benchmark model, and naif forecast is the simple method in Univariate model. For the formula naif forecast is Ft plus M equal to Yt. What is M and what is Yt? Okay, M is the number of steps ahead and Yt is the actual value time for t. After we use the naif forecast method, we get the evaluation and estimation values for MSE and MAPE. For MSE values, the estimation value for MSE is the lowest, which is 0.0065. But if we want to compare the best method, we use the evaluation MSE, which is 0.1839.
Next, for average change model is widely used by organizations because of its stability and practicability. It is based on the premise that the forecast value is equal to the actual value in the current period plus the average of absolute changes experienced up to the point in time. In this slide shows that the formula of the average of changes. After we using this method, we got the value for evaluation under.
The third method is single exponential smoothing. Single exponential smoothing is a time series forecasting method for univariate data. The formula is ft plus 1 equal to alpha t yt plus 1 minus alpha t times ft. Ft plus 1 is the single exponential smoothed value in period t plus 1. Yt is the actual value in time period t. Alpha is the unknown smoothing constant to be determined with value lying between 0 and 1. And Ft is the forecast for period t. Next, without using solver. Evaluation for MSE is 0.6954. Evaluation for MAPE is 41.7035. Estimation for MSE is 0.0438. Estimation for MAPE is 13.9926. By using solver, evaluation for MSE 0.4502. Evaluation for MAPE 25.7876. Estimation for MSE is 0.0067. Estimation for MAPE is 8.6524. We can conclude that by using solver, the evaluation and estimation value for MSE and MAPE is more accurate.
The final method that we used in our project is the Holtz method. The Holtz method is a two-parameter method. The use of it is to overcome the problem of sensitive trend values. It smoothes the trend and the slope directly using different smoothing constants, providing more flexibility in selecting the rates which the trend and slopes are tracked. The model requires three equations: the exponentially smooth series, trend estimate, and the third one is forecast in period into the future.
Without using solver, we get the evaluation and the estimation of MSE are 0.4586 and 0.0066. While for the MAPE, the evaluation is 28.6812 and the estimation is 9.6233. After using solver, the evaluation of MSE is 0.4543 while the estimation of MSE is 0.00611. While for the MAPE, the evaluation and the estimations are 25.5199 and 8.5626 respectively. Here, we can see that by using solver, it gives a more accurate values since the MSE is a lower value than without using solver.
In conclusion, among all four univariate model that we use, we conclude that the best method is the knife forecast model, because the knife forecast model have the lowest MSE value among all four of them.
That's all from us. Thank you.